Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how you can create shorts on your mobile phone using the YouTube app. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So before we begin, let's first go to the App Store and make sure your YouTube app is updated to the latest version. This is available on the Android phone as well, so go into your Play Store and update your YouTube app there. Once it has been updated, open the app. Now, some of you are quite familiar with the YouTube app. YouTube have recently updated their app to include an option to create a short. You can find this option when you press the plus sign, and then you'll find the option to create a short. Short is basically a 60 seconds video where users can create using their mobile phone, and it is in a vertical format. As you can see, it is in beta mode, so it's still in testing. Only a select number of users get this option, so if you don't have it, just wait a few more weeks and YouTube will officially release it to everyone. So tap on Create a Short. This will open up YouTube's recording screen. You'll notice a big record sign at the bottom of the screen to start recording your video. Or you can use the upload button at the bottom left of the screen to upload your pre-recorded clips. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create your short from scratch using your camera on the phone. So before recording that video, you can customize some of the settings for your short video. The first is the duration of the video. You can tap on 15 and change that to 60 seconds, or tap again and leave it for 15 seconds again. Now at the top, you can add music to include in this short video. There's a large selection of music to choose from, or you can do a search as well. Now at the top right, you can choose to flip, so you can record with the selfie camera, the front facing camera. If you tap it again, it'll revert back to the rear camera. You can change the speed of the recording. You can either make it slower or you can make it faster. You have the timer option where you can choose a countdown and have a limit of where to stop recording. This is great for hands-free mode to stop recording at a certain point on your music. You can choose different filters to record on. Lastly, you can adjust your music to which part of the song you want to record on. Now, once you've chosen all your settings, you can go ahead and record your video. Once you've recorded the video, you'll then move on to the editing suite of YouTube app. Here you can change your music again, add filters, add text, and view your timeline. Add text to your video by tapping on Add Text. After that, you can also change the duration of the text, so when it appears and when it disappears using the timeline option. Once you're done, tap on Next. On this screen, you can add your title. You can set the visibility of the video, so you can make it public or private, or you can schedule it. And finally, choose the option if it's made for kids or not. Once you're happy with everything, tap on Upload to upload your short video. And there you go, that is how to create a short on your mobile phone using the YouTube app. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.